outlaws with Sedgefield jeans.
She meets her first outlaw and falls for his charm. She goes with him gladly when he offers his arm. He's not green, full of puckered, he's smooth at the seam. He's captured her fancy wearing Sedgefield blue jeans.
Give an outlaw an edge, girl, he'll take you a mile. Steal all that you let him, then be gone with a smile.
He's well dressed and handsome, he plots and he schemes. She thinks she's discovered the man of her dreams. He's turned out in Sedgefield that fit him just right. He swears that he loves her and leaves in the night.
Give an outlaw an edge, girl, like Sedgefield.